Now pick the one unhealthy food.
Fish. Healthy food.
Yes. Okay. So first, healthy food.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to channel.
Hello Kanzah Muntaha.
Hello.
Welcome back to science class. So are you ready to play the games?
Yes.
Okay, so today we are going to play the unhealthy and healthy food games. Okay.
Okay.
So in the tray you have unhealthy food and the healthy food.
Healthy
Okay.
food. Okay.
Okay. In the smiley bowl you have to put the healthy food here and here the unhealthy food.
Unhealthy food.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, Muntaha, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first you just take the healthy food.
Strawberry. This.
Yes, what is this?
Strawberry.
And this is?
Healthy food.
Okay, now pick the one unhealthy food.
Candy.
Candy, very good. Wow. And this is?
Unhealthy food.
Unhealthy food. Okay. Okay, now pick the fish.
Fish.
And this is?
Healthy food.
Healthy food. Very
Go
good.
away, fish.
So you can easily make this type of card. You just draw a food items on a paper and cut it out, and then in the each card you have to insert that the paper clip. So and if you have any magnet you can attach with the thread and with the pencil or a sketch color or anything else, and it can be easily made at home, and you can play this type of game with your kids so that they can easily learn it.
Healthy food. Come on.
Okay, now moving toward the next.
Yes.
Okay, now in this game here is the smiley box. Okay, left hand side and the right hand side is the
Monster. Smile face.
yes. So in the smiley face you put the healthy foods, okay, and in that monster face you put the
Junk food.
junk food or unhealthy food. Okay. Okay, 1 2 3 go, and
Peace.
show here, first show here.
Peace.
Okay. Very good. Pizza. Show here. Show here. Yes, candy. Where? It is? Yes.
Fish. Healthy food.
Yes. You can also play this game with that card also, but in this game you have to make this type of boxes. I used a tissue box and cover it and just make the faces, smiley face for the healthy food and that angry or the monster face for the unhealthy food. So you can easily make this type of game for your kids at your home. So try it once. You did the great job. Okay, moving toward the next game.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So when I call the healthy food, you have to jump the healthy column of the food. Okay.
Okay.
And when I said unhealthy, you have to jump on the unhealthy column. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready, Muntaha?
Yes.
Okay. So first, healthy food. Where is healthy food here?
Strawberry.
Yes. Show me here. Strawberry and fish. Very good. Good job. Now go back. Okay, go back your place. Now jump on the unhealthy column, unhealthy food column. Very good.
Candy and pizza.
Candy and pizza are
Unhealthy food.
unhealthy food. Very good. In this game also I use the same cards. You can make the more cards and use it. And in this game I also use the ice cream stick to make the boxes, and through this game the kids will learn easily. So use this type of game at your home or in your school with your kids or the students. Mango and apple, very good, and it is healthy food. Very good. That is right, Muntaha.